This can make you $12.85 doing nothing if you follow each and every step shown in this video. To earn money for doing nothing, you have to copy this money-making system, which will make you money even while you are sleeping, and it just takes 5 minutes to set up everything. Now first of all, I want you to come over to Etsy.com. Etsy is an e-commerce website where you can buy and sell handmade or vintage jewelry, bags, clothing, art, etc. Etsy is available in almost every country, and they are adding more countries to their list every day. You can search for the item you want in the search box and it will show you the sellers for the product. From there you can choose any seller which you like and you can place your order with that seller. But for this video I would like to show you a new product which will help us to make money doing nothing at all. First of all, I want you to register yourself on Etsy.com. For this you have to click on the sign in option on the top right corner of the website and then click on register to register yourself on Etsy. Now fill in your email address, your first name, and create your password, then click on register, or you can directly register yourself with Google, Facebook, or Apple. To complete your registration you have to confirm your account by pressing the confirm account button. After that you can log into Etsy. Now I want you to type in the search box digital planner and then hit enter, and you will find that people are selling the digital planners for $14, $16 and even $17, and all it takes is to copy planners from another site and upload it to Etsy.com. As you can see, this one has the least reviews, but still if we calculate its earnings, it has made over $2,000, and most people don't even leave a review, so it has made close to $5,000 to this one seller only. And because these are in digital form, they do not have to take the headache of inventory or stock. They just upload them once on Etsy and sell them for lifetime. You can see how much potential this thing has, and you can find these digital planners for free on other sites. For this you have to come over to low content PLR printables.com. PLR stands for private label rights. Now the site will help us to find the free PLR digital planners which we can sell on Etsy and make money with it. For this all you have to do is hover your mouse over category and then select free PLR printables. It will take you to the next page, and if you scroll down you will find many PLR digital products for free. Now you can select any one of them, but for this video I would like to go with this planner over here. Click on view details and then on the next page click on visit supplier to visit the site of this planner. Now it will take you to the new website. As you can see here, make free money. Now with this commercial use printable that's free today, so this planner is for commercial use and we can use it to sell on Etsy and make a profit out of this planner. To download this PLR planner you have to fill in your first name and your email address and click on get your free PLR planner. They will send you the confirmation mail. Simply click on confirm your subscription and it will take back you to the site again. This is our planner, and if you scroll down a little bit till here you will find that there is a discount equal to the price of this planner, and to get the planner for free you just have to fill in your first name, last name, and email, create your username, create your password, confirm your password, and click on the next button at the bottom of the website. Now on this page you have to click on this highlighted here at the bottom of the website to access your members area, and after that you will be able to see your planner under the active subscriptions. Click on it and it will be downloaded to your device. Now let's get back to Etsy.com and scroll down to the bottom of the website and now click on sell on Etsy. From there you will be taken to the next page. Here you can see that you have to pay 20 cents to list your products on Etsy for 4 months, but do not worry because I will show you from where you will get 100 for free, which you can use to pay this fee on Etsy. Other charges like transaction fees and payment processing fees are on the sale of the products, which they will deduct from the sale itself, and the rest of the amount will be credited to our account. Now I want you to log into Etsy again and we have to set up our shop. Now you can set up your shop from the drop down arrow and then select a sell on Etsy option. Right here you just have to submit the simple information like your language, country, and shop currency on the first page, and on the next page you have to choose a name for your shop. You have to choose a unique shop name to register your shop on Etsy. In the next step we will create the listing of our product. We have to upload the photo of our digital planner here in this box. Then we have to select a title for our planner, which can be something like Digital Planner 2022 and Monthly Digital Planner. Also you have to submit some other information like category, automatic or manual renewal option, physical or digital item, description of the product, tags for your items such as a digital planner or planner, etc. And then you have to select the price for your planner. I suggest you select the price less than your competitor's price, for example $9, and after submitting all this information you have to choose the payment receiving option such as PayPal in the next step, and then you just have to set up billing information and your shop security. That's it. After that your digital planner will be live and you can start making the passive income over time with your planner. And if you want to earn 100 for free, click on the video showing on the screen right now.